Hi, it's Joao here. Sorry to interrupt you. You're probably watching something more important. I just wanted to pop out and share a message with you how I managed to get started in building an online business as a 58-year-old technophobe. If this isn't something that interests you at all, feel free to skip the ad and have a great day. However, if you are looking at different ways of earning an income on the internet, I have got something that might well interest you. But before I dive into the free resources that I have available, I'm just going to go through my story and tell you how I started, because I really think that this will help you. I was working as a mechanical engineer for the last 30 years, doing a job that no longer fulfilled me. And it got to the point where I absolutely had enough. I was working long hours, tired of commuting all those hours to and from work, and got to a point where I was mentally tired and drained. And on top of that, I dreaded Sunday nights, because that was the end of my weekend, my free time, knowing that the next day I had to go to work doing a job that I didn't enjoy, that no longer fulfilled me. And at the age of 57, I wanted a change. I wanted to be able to work for myself. I wanted flexibility in my life, to be able to do the things I've always wanted to do. Maybe you can resonate with me. Although I've never been great when it comes to the technical side of things, I knew that the online was the only way that would give me that freedom. So after one of those long days at work and feeling mentally drained, I went on YouTube looking for a bit of motivation. And this guy popped up and he was sharing his story on how he was working in the corporate world, working long hours, doing a job that no longer fulfilled him. And this resonated with me. And he talked about how he was able to start his own online business from scratch, and how people from all over the world were building online businesses. He talked about how he was part of this educational company to teach people from all around the world to start and build an online business from scratch. And what I loved about it was the fact that there were no geographical restrictions. Anyone could get started regardless of age, with no technical skills and no previous experience. And he was able to live his best life and travel the world. What he said was that if you had to go through these free workshops and put in the work, which you'd need to do, there is no reason why you wouldn't be able to create an online business. So this is exactly what I did. I went through the free workshops, I followed the steps, and I am now at the point where I've managed to leave my job, which worked really well because I was made redundant. And I now have moved to Portugal, to where I can now spend precious time with my family and do the things that I am passionate about. Now I look forward to waking up every day without those dreadful feelings of having to go to work and do a job that no longer fulfills me. I now have the passion and ambition to be able to build my online business with the help and support that these free videos gave me. So if you are interested in getting started, if you resonate with my story, if you are looking for a change, you want something different, or looking to build an income stream, then check out these workshops. They are totally free, and I really think that they will help you like they will help me and are helping people from all over the world. You have nothing to lose. Click on the Learn More button somewhere on this video. You'll be sent to my website where you can enter your name and email address, and I will send you the free workshop straight away. I do hope you found this valuable, and I really hope to hear from you in the future and hear about your successes. Take care and speak to you soon.